our Animal Homes adventure. Okay then, here we go. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3. Where's Kenneth?
Come on, little leg.
Oh, Kenneth! Come on.
Coming.
Okay. Okay then, here we go.
Wow.
Some animals, like beavers, work very hard to build their homes. They use their big teeth to cut down trees and branches. This beaver's taking branches over to help build his home. Ooh, his home's certainly gotten big, hasn't it? Ooh, he works very hard all day long, going back and forth, building his home one branch at a time. Many animals make their homes by digging holes in the ground, like these prairie dogs. It's a whole family. Ooh. They are playing, aren't they? Oh, look out. Oh, boy. And even this little animal called a mole who likes to dig tunnels. Other animals, like bears, make their homes in caves. Oh, he's having fish for dinner. Bats like to live in caves, too. Look how many. Ooh. And some animals have homes in and around trees. Like this fox. Ooh, it's so pretty. Baby fox. Oh, I think she sees something. And even this animal. So you see, animals live in many different places, but each one's home is just right for them.